Hello everyone, welcome back to NIIT.
Today we are talking about something you use almost every day, even if you don't realize it. SaaS or software as a service. From watching Netflix to sending emails through Gmail to editing documents in Google Docs, you are using SaaS. But what exactly is it? And why is it changing how the world uses software? Let's break it down in simple everyday language. SaaS stands for software as a service. It means software that you don't install on your computer. Instead, you access it over the internet, usually through a web browser or an app. It's like subscribing to a streaming service. Instead of downloading movies, you stream them. Similarly, with SaaS, you don't buy software once and install it. You subscribe to use it as a service. Imagine you are deciding between renting a car or buying one. If you buy a car, you're responsible for its maintenance, its insurance, and its upgrades. But if you rent one, the car is ready when you need it, and someone else handles the maintenance. SaaS works in a very similar way. You rent software from a provider who handles all the technical stuff, servers, updates, and security. So you can just focus on using the software. Here's what makes SaaS so powerful. You can access it from anywhere on any device. No need to install or update anything, it's all handled for you. Most SaaS tools are subscription based, so you only pay for what you use. When you use a SaaS product, here's what happens. You open your browser or app, log into your account, and the software runs on remote servers managed by the provider, not on your personal device. Your device is just the access point. All the heavy lifting is done on the provider side. That's why you can use SaaS tools from your phone, laptop, or even your tablet. Still unsure if you've used SaaS before? Let's look at some popular examples. Gmail or Outlook.com for email, Google Docs or Microsoft 365 for editing and sharing documents, Zoom or Microsoft Teams for video conferencing, Dropbox or Google Drive for cloud storage, Netflix or Spotify for streaming content. Yes, even entertainment apps follow the SaaS model. These are all platforms that deliver software and services over the web without requiring you to install anything complicated. So where is all this software running? Behind the scenes, SaaS relies on something called cloud computing. Instead of the software living on your computer, it lives on servers. Powerful computers in data centers that are accessed through the internet. This is why you can log into a Zoom meeting from your phone, then continue it on your laptop. The software and data live in the cloud, not on your device. Let's explore why SaaS is such a big deal, not just for large corporations, but also for people like you and I. For individuals, use tools from any device. Whether you are on your phone, laptop, or tablet, you can access your SaaS apps anywhere. It's like carrying your workspace in your pocket. No installation headaches, no more downloading bulky files or worrying about compatibility. Just log in and start working. You don't have to click update or wait for a new version. SaaS tools are automatically updated in the background. You always have the latest features, no matter what. Affordable and flexible. Many SaaS tools offer free plans or monthly subscription, so you only pay for what you use. Great for students, freelancers, or small teams on a budget. For businesses, no in-house servers or IT hassle. You don't need a huge IT team or server rooms. The SaaS provider takes care of all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Fast onboarding. Want to roll out a tool to a team of 10 or even 100? It can be done in minutes, not months. Scalable user management. Easily add or remove team members as your business grows or changes. Security and maintenance by experts. Your data is handled by dedicated professionals who make sure it's backed up, secure, and running smoothly 24/7. That's why SaaS is popular with everyone, from solo creators to the world's biggest brands. Let's break down the key differences between SaaS and traditional software in a simple way. Traditional software usually requires you to buy a license, install it on your computer, and manually keep it updated. It's often tied to one device, and any technical issues or maintenance are your responsibility or your IT teams. On the other hand, SaaS is much more flexible and user friendly. You access it online from any device, just like visiting a website. There's no need to install anything, updates happen automatically, and you usually pay through a monthly or yearly subscription. The provider takes care of everything behind the scenes, from performance to security. So you can focus on using the software, not managing it. Simply put, SaaS is designed for the modern digital lifestyle, while traditional software reflects an older, more rigid model. SaaS is rapidly evolving. It's not just for emails and meetings anymore. We now have SaaS tools for designing products, managing customer relationships, running entire businesses, analyzing data, even writing code. The future: more AI powered SaaS, better integrations, and even more tools that help us do things faster and smarter wherever we are. To summarize, SaaS is software you use online without installing it. It's updated automatically, paid for like a subscription, and accessible anywhere. Simple, efficient, scalable. That's software as a service. Alright, that's a wrap. Join NIIT's program today and take the first step towards securing your future. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more career insights, and drop a comment on which tool you are most excited about. See you in the next one.